Today's video is going to be another quick lunch idea using only 3 ingredients that you may already have on hand. It's not only super easy, but super yummy as well. The 3 ingredients that you'll need are sweet Hawaiian rolls, shredded cheese, and marinara sauce. If your child doesn't like marinara sauce, just use some type of white sauce like Alfredo. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is cut your sweet Hawaiian roll bread in half. Once I cut it in half, what I like to do is just flatten it with my hand. You don't have to do this. I just like how it comes out better once it's toasted. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is add whichever sauce your child prefers. My little one likes marinara sauce, so that's what I'm going to use. But like I said, if they like white sauce better, just use an Alfredo sauce. And then the last step is to add your cheese. It's as simple as that, you guys. Now, here I'm just going to go ahead and complete the rest. Again, cut the bread in half, flatten it with my hand, add the marinara sauce and the cheese. If you have older kids, I encourage you to get them involved and have them help you. If they like pepperoni or lunch meat or any type of vegetable, add that on as well. And once you're done assembling all your little pizzas, you're just going to want to put them on a baking sheet. I'm putting mine in my air fryer. It has a toasting option, and for 2 to 5 minutes, and that's it.
Pizza.
And look at this here.
Wow.
Yummy, yummy. It's like it's good. Yummy?
Bacon.
It's not bacon. Hey, but that's a good idea. Next time I could put some bacon on there. It's cheese. It's just probably crunchy from toasting it. So as you guys can see, he loves these little pizzas, which is great because they're such a quick and easy lunch to do. And as he suggested, next time I will add bacon. So if you give this a try, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.